Wow, guys, I cannot believe that I just reached 2,500 subscribers. That's unreal. You guys are so awesome for supporting me. I thought it was going to be another 3 or 4 months before I got here, but it's okay because I have this whole bag stuffed full of goodies. Okay, let's go. The 2,500 subscriber celebration. That's what I'm calling this. Okay, because I can't really call it a giveaway. Okay, but I can call it a celebration. So we're going to celebrate. Now, the trick is that if you would like me to kind of, celebrate with you and you receive this celebration package, I kind of need you to let me know below. All right? I'm not really asking for the comments. I'm just saying that's how this celebration is going to work is you guys just let me know what you think of these in the comment section. And then next Wednesday, January 29th in the evening, I will announce who gets to celebrate with me and gets these. Okay. And then once I announce it, whoever gets to celebrate with me emails me their address and I will send this celebration package. Okay. That's how it has to work. I know that sounded complicated, but it's really not. So just leave me a comment down below. Okay. And let me know if you want to celebrate with me. My stuff is falling out of my goodie bag, so let's go ahead and dive in so I can show you everything. Okay, I'm going to set it up. I'm going to set it off to the side, and I'm going to just dive right in. Okay, so the first thing is these skinny strips. It's fabric ruffles is what I would call these. The next thing is some vintage photographs. Okay, they're like black and white images like this. There's like 5 or 6 of them here. I won't show you them all, but so you can see these lovely black and white images. Go like that. Okay, so yes, there's like 5 or 6 of them in here right here. So let's keep going. We have these chalkboard tags. These are great to add to the edges of your journals and let yourself write a little note. We have some wooden pieces here. There's more in here. We'll get to them. Okay, so I have some of these self-laminating pouches. If you guys have been following my videos, you know that I like to use a laminate to laminate my flowers, my dried flowers. And these are a great alternative if you don't have a laminate machine. You can still just stick your dried flower in between the sheets, push it down, and it will do it for you. That's great. Okay, so let me just, oh, I dropped something. I have to pick that up. I have another one that's the same thing, only in a larger size. Okay, so I have 2 of those. Let me grab. Oh, okay, so the thing that I dropped was my fabric scraps goodie bag. Okay, I just stuffed a whole bunch of little fabric scraps in here. There's pretty good amount in here. I just shoved in what would fit. I also did the same thing with some paper scraps. I mean, who doesn't love scraps, guys? We all love scraps, but somebody else's scraps are even better, right? So these are another little package there. I got these maple leaves. These are great to add to your journal. I saw somebody actually did her whole journal cover with these once. It was beautiful. And I also included one of my rust stained fabrics that me and my husband created. This is really lovely to do your journals with, your covers or your spines. These are really pretty. Kind of a grungy effect. Hopefully you can see the rusty bits, but it smells lovely. I've washed these several times. They actually smell really good. Okay. Another one is this duck. Can you guys see? It's a duck napkin, fabric napkin, so with little ducks on it. Really cute. Great for spring that's coming up soon. Okay, I included one of these staple removers. I don't know why it has a lint on it. And then I have a fabric ribbon. That's what I'm trying to say. Fabric ribbon. It's kind of fall themed. So I've also included some vintage postcards. Here's a jaguar. And this one is my favorite. I love this. That's so funny. I love that. I'm partial to monkeys, I guess. I also have these fabric squares. There's 32 pieces in here. So there's 32 of them. They're already pre-cut for you. Here's the, hopefully you can see, here's the different, what's in there. So they're really pretty. They're floral, so very nice floral ones. I've included a cork just to play around with. It has the letter C on top, but these are great to make tassels and things with. I included some beads, a jar full of beads here. There's different types in here that you can use. So hopefully you guys can see those really well. I got this other kind of bead. Sorry about that. There we go. I got these other beads, and they have like a little hook on the edge that you can use for tassels and things like that, or dangles. So those are really cute. I have this silver sealing wax in case you guys wanted to experiment with some wax. This is the kind that you melt down and then you push your stamp into it. I have some a butterfly, wooden butterfly to decorate. These wooden ones are great for the covers of your journal. I also have a butterfly keychain. That's interesting. And let's see. I have these little flowers. Can you guys see the flowers? They're, you can't shake them. They won't. There's one. There. And see what one of them looks like. They're just paper flowers with a little gem on them. And making all kinds of noise here. Okay, so then I have these vintage coasters. Move that stuff out of my way. So yeah, these are very vintage, like coasters. Oops, paper coasters, I should say. They're like, they got like fabric on them, so they're kind of old. I love them. Just the feel of them is just lovely. So got those almost done. Okay, and then I crocheted a flower. So I was just going to include the crocheted flower, and then I crocheted this closure here. I'm going to show you how it works. So you slip this through like that, see? And so this can go around a folio. This can be a closure for an envelope, whatever you guys want. It's a smaller version of a bigger closure that I'm using on a journal. So yeah, just really cute. I thought somebody might enjoy it. I have some bottle caps here, the vintage alphabet bottle caps. So there's 26 mini bottle caps in here, one for each letter. And then I have these, which is photo turns with brads. But I would use these, well, you could use them for photos, that's fine too, but I use them for my flip outs so they hold my flip outs in place. So you can see the little tiny black brads right here. And yeah, it'll make these things turn. That's what it's designed to do. And then I'm also going to include some of my laces, okay? I have a lot of laces and ribbons and stuff like that, so I will be including some of these and this one. So you can see all of the vintagey lace that I'll be adding. And then last, the big thing is a crocodile. It's a brand new crocodile that I will be sending the hole punch setter. So I will be including this in the package. And if you guys want, I'm also going to include this bag, okay? The Asheville Bee Charmer bag with the bee. So just leave me a comment, and next Wednesday, check back next Wednesday to see who's going to be celebrating with me and who will be able to get all of this stuff. I hope you guys like this stuff, so leave me a comment below and let me know. So I will see you guys next Wednesday. Have a blessed day.